Did you know that 3 simple fruits, ones you've probably walked past in the grocery store 100 times, may hold the secret to reversing fatigue, restoring vitality, and even improving your performance after 60? This isn't some trend or supplement ad. These are real foods, backed by 2025 research, with the power to recharge a man's energy, physically, mentally, and yes, even intimately. But most men are never told this. They're handed pills, excuses, or silence. So stay with me, because the fruit at number 1 will truly shock you. Here's the truth. Aging is inevitable, but decline is optional. Much of the weakness, the early fatigue, the mental fog, and yes, the fading drive, aren't just from age. They come from poor circulation, hormonal imbalance, and cellular fatigue. And the shocking part, all 3 of these issues can be addressed, starting with what's on your plate. Specifically, 3 key fruits that act like natural medicine. In 2025, multiple studies from European nutrition councils and Mayo Clinic confirm that diet plays a far bigger role in late-life vitality than previously believed. Nutrients like potassium, flavonoids, and polyphenols have been linked directly to testosterone regulation, arterial health, and brain function. That's why these fruits aren't just food. They're fuel for the second half of your life. Let's begin with fruit number 3. And I promise, if you've been feeling sluggish or frustrated, this one will make a difference within days. The humble banana. You've probably had it your whole life, but you may not realize how much your aging body depends on it now. In 2025, a clinical trial published in the Journal of Metabolic Nutrition found that men over 60 who consumed a banana every morning with protein reported a 17% increase in morning energy and improved blood pressure stability. Bananas are packed with potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and tryptophan. This isn't just random nutrition talk. These are compounds your aging muscles, arteries, and brain cells crave, especially when testosterone levels are dropping and blood circulation becomes sluggish. More than just a quick snack, bananas help maintain electrolyte balance, which is critical after 60. Your heart, nerves, and muscles rely on that balance to function. Skipping breakfast? You're starving your cells. But starting with a banana offers clean, digestible fuel that wakes up the body without spiking sugar or crashing energy. Think of it as your natural morning ignition switch. Add a spoon of peanut butter and a glass of water, and you've got a 3-minute ritual that supports blood flow, heart rhythm, and mental clarity. Walter, a retired teacher I worked with, was waking up foggy and dragging himself through the day. One small habit, banana at breakfast, changed everything in under 2 weeks. But as good as this fruit is, the next one does something no supplement can. It feeds your hormones naturally. In the updated 2025 Male Wellness Review by Johns Hopkins, avocado was listed as one of the top 5 natural foods for balancing testosterone after age 60 without medication, patches, or injections. The reason? Its incredible nutrient profile speaks the language of male biology. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, vitamin B6, magnesium, zinc, and potassium. These aren't just nice-to-haves. These are building blocks of hormone production. Testosterone, the hormone tied to strength, drive, and energy, begins declining in men as early as 35. By 60, most men are operating at half capacity, but it doesn't have to stay that way. Monounsaturated fats in avocado directly help your body produce more testosterone. Vitamin B6 lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that blocks testosterone. And zinc? It's the spark plug your endocrine system needs. This combination creates a hormonal environment that helps you feel grounded, sharp, and present. Take Harold, a 68-year-old former contractor who felt like he'd lost his fire. I had him start eating half an avocado daily, paired with eggs or a light salad. Within 10 days, his mood shifted. Within 3 weeks, he was sleeping deeper, walking taller, and feeling confident in ways he hadn't in years. The beauty of avocado? It's simple. No hard prep, no cooking, half a fruit a day, and you feed your inner chemistry like a man who still has work to do in this life. Still with me? Because the next fruit, number 1, is so powerful. It's been clinically shown to improve circulation in just 14 days. Now this one, it's the game changer. In 2025, the British Journal of Urology published a breakthrough study that confirmed what ancient traditions always knew. Pomegranate juice restores blood flow, especially where it matters most to men. Circulation is the lifeblood of male performance. Without it, energy fades, memory suffers, and intimacy becomes frustrating. Pomegranate is packed with polyphenols, compounds that feed your blood vessels, reduce plaque, and increase nitric oxide levels. Nitric oxide is nature's own vasodilator, the signal your arteries use to relax and flow. George, a 72-year-old client of mine, came in saying, "Doc, I'm not the man I used to be." He thought it was just age. It wasn't. It was blood flow. I had him drink 6 ounces of unsweetened pomegranate juice every morning. That was it. No pills, no therapy. In just 2 weeks, his energy returned. His wife noticed, and more importantly, he noticed himself again. New studies in 2025 also found that pomegranate reduces prostate inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 enemies of aging men. It even helps with sleep, heart health, and exercise recovery. The taste? Tart and slightly sweet. A daily shot of strength from nature. Still skeptical? Imagine giving your body the support it's been quietly begging for, and watching yourself come back to life. Not younger, but stronger. More alive, more present. Here's what most men don't realize. It's not about fixing one thing. It's about aligning your body's entire system. Pomegranate boosts blood flow. Avocado feeds your hormones. Banana powers your cells with clean energy. Together, they create a triangle of male vitality. When used daily, with intention, these fruits create synergy. Your heart pumps stronger. Your mind clears. Your drive returns. And you begin to feel what real masculinity is again. Not just performance, but power, purpose, presence. In 2025, the approach to senior male health has shifted. It's not about slowing aging. It's about activating strength. The strength that's still inside you, waiting to be unlocked by food, breath, sleep, and belief. So here's what I recommend. Breakfast, 1 banana with peanut butter, or boiled egg. Lunch, 1/2 avocado on toast or in salad morning drink. 6 ounces pomegranate juice, unsweetened. That's it. No pills, no expense, just rhythm and results. Let's be clear, aging doesn't break a man. Giving up does. You're not weak. You're underfed. Your body is still here, still listening, still waiting for you to give it what it needs. Real food, real rest, real belief. I've seen men in their 60s, 70s, and yes, even their 80s, come back to life by changing just one thing: how they fuel themselves, not with gimmicks, but with nature's wisdom. These 3 fruits, they aren't magic. They're medicine, and they've been here the whole time, waiting for you to use them with purpose. So if something in this video resonated with you, if you felt even a small spark of, maybe I can change this, don't ignore it, honor it. If this message spoke to you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a 1 in the comments if you're ready to take control of your energy. Type 0 if you're still unsure, and tell me what's holding you back. And if you'd like more honest, science-backed videos just for men over 60, turn on that bell icon, because the next one might be even more important than this. Your second half is just beginning, and you, not your doctor, not your age, are the one holding the pen.